So I will continue with XRP, and it already took. Here we have Pepe. Where did I have XRP? God, I got stopped on so many positions. I feel bad. 206. This one. 206. I think I had here my first take profit, and it already took. I'm still holding this position. Maybe we'll add again and we'll take short. I don't see it bullish yet. Yeah, I think I will just put to break even and we'll reshort this position. So I'm still expecting XRP to come to this area. This will be my buy zone still. Even if I go now to monthly time frame, it can still come to this within next month, okay? If it will decide to, it can still come to this two levels. This levels we will be short if we will not go right away to this area, then I will look at this area. So what does it mean? Like right now I have a short position, right? We still have weekly candle. It can consolidate. Oh my god, it can consolidate. So it can consolidate and reject. Only if I will see strong reaction at this area and something like this, you know that it's trying to break above, and I see that this EMA is going like this and this EMAs are coming together, you know, then in this case probably this will be the support zone and the price will continue going up. So if you're holding XRP, you can hold, I mean spot, you can hold it, but I would recommend to still book significant profit here and still put limit orders here and to this area probably, just in case, because this one is really strong and we don't know what kind of news we may get. 2 week, 9 days, monthly. Yeah. Daily. Daily I would like to see it here and see this RSI a bit lower, but sometimes market does the thing that RSI start bouncing from the middle. Okay, so it can still come here like this and then boom. So I will see. Maybe I will just close my fully close my short and will look for longs. I will see. So this was XRP. Next one will be Ethereum. So we have this beautiful bounce from this area, 3,219, and it didn't go a bit lower, but it doesn't matter. We will still have this resistance zone. Let's go to monthly. Surprisingly, it looks strong. So this area I will keep in mind, this monthly FVG. If the price comes again, just buy. If the price comes again, just buy this area, this monthly FVG. Just put this FVG and FUSM indicator, and if the price comes and does like this, just buy this area. and take profit will be this. I will put it a bit lower just to be sure that it will take. And this, if I'm not mistaken, this level came because of the Fibonacci. Yeah, we'll put it a bit lower, like this, and this area. If it will break this, it will go higher. So Ethereum hold, or buy here if you didn't buy it yet. Like, I really recommend to buy here. For example, even if it will tomorrow, we will see situation like this. Buy, just buy. Yeah, buy this area. Again, limit orders here. These two limit orders. Buy. It will give us how much? It will give us 60 minimum, 60% long term. Oh, more than 100% may give. So either you buy here leverage, but please see that your stop loss is really wide, or your liquidation is really far. Okay, but spot, yes, definitely looks very good. Pepe, spot filled, took this limit order. Can it go lower? Maybe. Just have this one. Now let's see. RSI came to this one. Still would like to see most altcoins to come to this level. So see, just an example, whenever RSI was coming here on a daily time frame, we just recently saw on other altcoins, it had some bounce and boom. So it had some bounce and boom, it went lower. So we may have some bounce and boom come lower to this area. Understood? So we should be prepared for any possibility, any scenario, and I will just give you all possibilities that we may expect. Let me draw Fibonacci here first of all to see where the price may even go. So as we can see on the monthly, it came to these levels and rejected. Yeah, but I still will highlight these two levels, but not two levels. I will highlight only this one probably. That will be fine. Then I will highlight this one. So we have this level and this level. This buy zone will be still interesting, only if it will lose this area. Trust me, it will go lower. It will go lower towards to this zone, because you can see the price was coming several times and bouncing. So this level looks really interesting, and then this too. But I don't know what should happen in the market. But it's altcoins on the other hand. So to weekly looks so far fine. I would like still to have it bit lower, this level to take, because you see here it has 50 EMA, and 50 EMA was like really strong trigger. But on our side we're coming to the middle, so maybe, let's say, Pepe will not manage to bounce, it stays as it is, then most probably next week with some bounce, it will still come here and touch these levels, and then we'll continue going up. In this case, on the other side, we will have this kind of picture as we had here. You see? I will delete this for now. Let me go to 3D. Let me go to daily. Like now I will try to find the, yeah, I would want to come this price here, honestly. This would be perfect. This would be really good area to buy. So let's say we have now this position. Let me turn off this. So I would already take profit here, here, and here. And probably somewhere at this zone I would look for shorts. This area I would look for shorts. Because you can see it was standing as a support before, and now it will stand as a resistance. So this scenario is pretty possible. Or it comes here, it comes back, and then like this. Also can be just a bit higher maybe. Also can be, so these two possibilities. We'll leave it like this. So gold, if anyone is holding, this is the buy area. It can still bounce. Okay, it can still bounce till this Fibonacci zone and go down. Okay, so these two areas are very important. And then this area will be very important because this level was standing as a really strong resistant level. As long as it is below this, the chance to revisit this area will be very high. Yeah, and on our side, you know, it may even go lower. Keep in mind, it may even go lower. No, I don't think it will come here. It's wrong. But it can go, let me see. It can go like this, you know, like something like this. It can do. But so far it looks weak. Short-term bounce, yes. Will be bullish, like will be. I would hold the position if you bought somewhere here, only if it will break this area and this area. Otherwise, I expect it to go lower. Maybe without touching this this red box, it will start already showing weakness. So Tia, it came a bit lower than this green box, almost to the previous low, and currently we should see how it will close the daily candle. So far, if you go to RSI, doesn't look bad. It may not go right away up. It may do some consolidation or even just go a bit lower to take you in this area here. Let me make it green. By the way, I hope you can hear me well because I noticed that I'm talking not that loud anymore. So then I would say, let me put this just in case that it will take the limit order at 4.062 because TIA looks a bit weaker even if I go to TIA BTC just by looking on our side. And look, I would want to see something like this here. Something similar. Moment. Yeah, and it would after that it could give some nice bounce. Okay, let's go back to TUSDT. So since we took this position, now let's see where should we execute and take profits. So I would take this low, this high, and I would put first take profit here, second here, and third one here. Then I would look how the price will react, and it is, let's say 47% is not bad. Of course, it's not something like 100 or something like this, but still, it is not bad. So here I would see same like this chart looks the same like Link or ING. So I will take this area with this week. I will take this area, this high. These two levels gonna be for me really important resistant levels. Like right now, with this situation in the market, I cannot be sure like that. Yeah, we will go now to $10 or $12 and so on. So it is better to be careful. So the price may come here, do something like this. It is possible to reject and come back to fill this area that we will have here, or it may still do like this. So this area is very important. Let's keep the trade until this area and then we will see, or something like this. It comes here, consolidates, chops, and then shows us a breakout and goes finally to this $10 area. But let me check also weekly time frame. We still have 2 days. If it will manage to close above this 5.93, it will be really positive. In this case, it will have more chances to go to take this area here. It will have more chances. And here, after bouncing, it may go and again reject. Okay, so what will I suggest you? You can hold here, like hold, yes, you can DCA a bit, then take profit here, take profit here, and while you will take profits here, please move stop loss to break even. Just move stop loss to break even. And once you put your stop loss to break even, you can set limit orders here, like 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%, and we will see how it will react. If it reacts strong, then we will maybe add some margin, some position. Okay, so in this case, you will not have a position only with 1% of your portfolio, but maybe 5%, maybe 10%. Okay, and then we will book here, and then we will see. We're not closing the position after taking the 3 take profits. we're moving stop loss to break even, and we look at the situation here. If Bitcoin is continuing to nuke, we are taking everything and just setting new limit orders. We can just put same limit orders, they should be valid still. Even if we'll have another drop. So I will share it on other video.